This is Glitzy Glam, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. As you've noticed, I cut my hair. I Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. I can always grow it back out, but I did get it cut, and now I just got to get used to it. I was kind of used to the long hair, and so now I got to get used to it like this. But who knows? I may grow it back out, or I may cut it even shorter. We'll see. But right now I have a 99-cent haul for you. Now, they didn't have any new Christmas items that I was excited about, but I will show you what I was excited about. I bought this mascara. It said Extreme Long Lash Mascara. Usually when I put on mascara, I can barely see my eyelashes. And when I put my glasses on, then I can barely see my eyelashes. And I did try some magnetic false eyelashes, and I really did like those, but I'm kind of a low maintenance kind of person, so it's kind of hard for me to paint on the magnetic eyeliner every single day and wear the fake eyelashes every day. But they were very awesome. I have to say, they were very awesome, and they were only $15. But this I can do every day. This mascara is called, hold on, I'll have to put my glasses on to see. It just says SM Smoke and Mirrors Extreme Long Lash Mascara. Now this haul is a 99-cent haul, so that's where I got the mascara, and I really like it. It did lengthen my eyelashes. I have very short eyelashes, and these did make them very long. So yes, it's got something in them that attaches to your lashes and makes them longer. It says Smoke and Mirrors Extreme Long Lash Mascara creates stunning length with clean definition and zero clumps for natural, beautiful looking lashes in one step. Yes, it did. I just went 1, 2, 3, and I had long lashes. Miracle. So if you are interested in that, go try it out. All right, now I'm going to turn around so I can take some of this stuff that I bought from 99-cent store. I did buy some of these. They're just foam picks. I like them because I can just use a flower arrangement that I already have and just change the look each season with some of these styrofoam picks. I can put pumpkin picks in for the fall. I can put these snowflake picks in for the winter. And to be honest, you guys can buy the plastic snowflakes and attach them to picks yourself and stick them into a flower arrangement. All right, so I got 2 of those. Those were 99 cents each. Now these, I bought a bunch of these because I'm going to put them up at Glitzy Glam. I have some string lights, and I do need to get some more string lights, but I want to decorate the ceiling with these, so I did buy quite a few of these. They are $1.98, and I thought one may not reach all the way across, so I bought quite a bit of these to put up in there. I did buy some more of these beads. They're silver and pearls, and then gold and pearl beads. for Christmas tree. I just didn't think I had enough with the first 3, so I bought 3 more. So now I've got 3 silver and 3 gold, and they were $2.49 for each strand, but I really think they're very pretty. All right, now, like I said, there wasn't a lot of Christmas stuff that made me excited. I do already have a lot of these, but I bought these $2.49 because there was a nice glittery white, a nice glittery pink, and a nice glittery gold one. I did buy those 3, even though I do have lots of nutcrackers for my nutcracker tea. But I guess if it's going to be a nutcracker tea, you never have enough nutcrackers, right? So we'll see where I use those. Now on to the things that I bought that have nothing to do with Christmas, and they probably have these year round, but I'm just now getting to buy them and add them to my organizing. I bought these. There's 2 of them. 2 for 99 cents. What I do like about these is, yes, they have holes, so you could stick scarves through the holes, but they also have hooks, so if you just don't feel like using the holes, you can just put your belts or your scarves on the hooks. And like I said, there's 2 of them for 99 cents. Velvet, not too bad. Maybe I'll share one with my husband. Maybe I'll use them both in my closet. Now, I do have picture frame holders from Dollar Tree, but from the 99-cent store, I saw this one. It's just a little more decorative for 99 cents. It's a decorative display easel. I thought maybe I might paint it gold, but I bought that. And I bought, this is the last item I bought at 99-cent store. I bought these hangers, $1.99, thin velvet hangers. I thought I'd buy these for the stuff that is real, my silky blouses that have wide necks and want to fall off. The hangers, because of the velvet and this little indention here, it's going to hold my blouses on hanger a lot better. So that one was $1.99. That's why I bought that group, 8 for $1.99. But these seem to look even better. And you got 12 velvet hangers, sophisticated storage, anti-slip, slim design, 12 velvet hangers for $2.99. So I don't know. I guess we'll see which velvet hanger lasts the longest, and we'll see. We're going to compare there. They're both bought at the 99-cent store. It's just 8 and 12. I don't know if they're a different brand, but the packaging is totally different. This says home. Hold on, I have to get my glasses again. This says home storage plus velvet hangers, ideal for organizing, non-slip finish, great for travel, slim and space saving, minimizing hanger. So we're going to compare these and see which one's better. But I want to tell you again, super excited about this mascara. You should try it. And I'm excited about my little haircut. It looks healthier, bouncier. Tell me what you think. All right. like I said, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed so that you'll be notified whenever I have a video. I would love that. Thank you for watching.